case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The Supreme Court of the United States heard a 1949 case, Graver Tank and MFG Company v. Linde Air Products Company, which centered on the validity of patent claims and the need for sufficient proof of patent abuse. The case was brought by Linde Air Products Company against Lincoln and two Graver companies, accusing them of infringing on their Jones patent for an electric welding process and fluxes. The trial court found that the Jones invention produced significantly better results than all prior methods of electric welding, and held some flux claims valid and infringed, while others were invalid along with all process claims. The case reached the Supreme Court, which reviewed the two judgments of the Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit involving the same patent. The court found that certain flux claims were valid and infringed, and the process claims and remaining contested flux claims were valid. It is noteworthy that 3 individuals had collaborated to produce the invention after conducting a series of experiments in which they compounded 75 different flux compositions. Ultimately, the Supreme Court affirmed the district court's findings that the 4 flux claims were valid and infringed, the Jones patent was unviolated, and the process claims were invalid under the statute. The court reversed the Court of Appeals judgment and upheld the 4 flux claims' validity.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.